Welcome back to our channel, Video Creators. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a personal touch to your videos with a logo or watermark. First of all, to add a logo and watermark, let's download and run Edimakor on the computer and get started. Import your video file to the timeline. Then upload your unique logo file. Drag and drop it onto the timeline above your video clip. Here we take Edimakor logo as an example. Now on the timeline, drag the logo track to match the video track so the whole video will be watermarked with your logo. Also in the player section, perfectly resize the logo and position it to wherever you want within your video frame. Whether you want to add a logo, name or special icons as watermark, it is better to upload a transparent picture. No transparent picture? Just import the picture file and place it on the timeline above your video clip. We now go to remove its background. Select the picture and apply AI cutout at the right panel. See? The picture is transparent. Now similarly, adjust the track length and position of your watermark. One thing left. Fine-tune the opacity to make sure it's noticeable but not overwhelming. Go to opacity here. Slide left to the transparency you want. Once you're happy with your logo and watermark, it's time to export your video. Go to the export settings and choose your desired resolution and format. Hit export. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo as watermark to your video as we have shown at the beginning.
Hello guys, welcome to Edimakor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy editing.